This is Stephen's Story with tips on trading. I'd like to talk with you about trading to pay your bills. Not, don't do that, okay? Nobody should trade in the market and make their bills and their everyday living dependent on making money from trading to cover that. Alright, now I've known some people who tried it. The reason why that's not a good idea, even for a good trader, is because it adds a new type of a perspective or motivation in their mind, which creates a stress level that is not, let's say it's not healthy in trading. When all of a sudden you have to worry about making sure that you make enough out of the marketplace, even as a very good trader, in order to pay your bills every month or by certain deadlines, what that tells your mind is that you have to force trades, if necessary, in order to meet the deadlines. Well, once you know enough about trading, you'll know the market doesn't work that way. The market won't allow you to force trades. It goes at its own pace, according to its own rhythm, according to its own fundamentals out there, and you need to be in a mindset that is willing to take what the market has to offer when it has to offer it, regardless of the time frame involved. Sometimes the market has a great deal to offer in a short period of time, and other times it's moving sideways in a rather choppy pattern and sometimes just channeling along with much less opportunity. A trader should never make their living totally dependent on trading. In my estimation, trading ought to be something that's used for a tool to help you meet certain goals. Here's an example. I spoke with a gentleman earlier just today. In fact, he's an outback guide in Montana. He loves to take people in the outback and guide them through the country. He loves to get on his mules and carry all the stuff out there on hunting trips and so forth. He's interested in trading though. Why? Not because trading is his first passion, but because to him it would be a means to an end, something to help him accomplish something else he loves to do even more. Well, in his type of a circumstance, the last thing he'd ever want to do is use trading as the sole way of paying all of his bills to make sure he can accomplish that passion. Make sure his passion is going to make him money and support himself, but do trading on the side. Even if you become a career professional trader, you can do it part-time. Do it on the side. Don't allow the deadlines of paying bills to become a stress factor that causes a trader to push, force, or try to manipulate trades that are not going to be to his advantage. This is Tips on Trading. This is Stephen's Story.